Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your February love and work forecast for Leos. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Leo, this reading is for you. If you know a Leo, you can cross watch it for them. Subscribe, like, and share, friends, and join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com and make sure to subscribe, friends, because you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. So subscribe, like, and share. And friends, thank you for your donations. If you sent us donations, it goes entirely to the channel for the decks and all. Thank you so much for sharing your love with me and supporting us in these hard times. So thank you so much. So let's see, Leos, what's happening for you. Let's see. If you wanna listen these readings in Hindi, Urdu, they are on my other channel, Magic Wens Tarot Hindi. Oh my God, Leos, very exciting energy. I'll not take them because I haven't asked anything yet. So let's just keep them. All right. So you can check the link is in the timestamps in the comment section below. Leo's theme of the month for Leos. Wow, Eight of Swords. Oh my God, the world. This month is about expansion. This month for you, Leos, is about stepping out of your comfort zone. If you are feeling restricted, blocked in any way, you gonna feel free or you wanna come out of it. You're gonna work on it. Yes, you want to travel, Leos. You want to travel. You want to meet people. You want to make some new contacts. You want to change your work. A lot of changes, Justice, yeah, big changes are coming your way. Destined changes. You might not be ready to make these changes, or you might not feel confident or bold enough to make these changes, like starting a global work or moving into another city or country or changing your stepping out of your comfort zone. Actually, you may not feel so confident, Leos, but this is destined. This is destiny calling your name. Some of you are changing your life purpose, or you are connecting with your life purpose more strongly. I see some of you, if you are having health issues, you're gonna recover from that by eating some, going green, organic, going green, uh, going on a, I don't know how to say, fresh, raw diet or something. I don't know what, but I see some changes in your diet and some legal victories also. So some victories are coming your way, but it is a risk. Like, you feel it is time to step outside of your comfort zone, Leos. This is that month. Also, travel is important. Moving, changing your city or work, country, or also improving where you live and how you live, like, how do I say this? Like renovating your home, right? Renovating your homes, taking care of your body, your looks, your hair. So that is important. Let's see what will happen in your love life, the past for Leos. Wow, you are dealing with a lot of people, Leos, Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I do feel, Leos, you are dealing in the past, you were dealing with a lot of people, or a lot of people were affecting your relationships. If you were single, you had some choices in your love life in the past. What's happening in the past for Leos? Confusions. You don't know which way to do. Should you listen to your heart? Should you listen to your mind? Should you choose one person or the other one? So a lot of confusions you had in the past. You could be dealing with the third party, or you could be dealing with someone who is affecting your connection. Maybe distance, maybe work, maybe family, maybe religion, maybe culture. So let's see what's happening currently for you, Leos. Manifest, okay. Hanged Man and the Seven of Wands. So someone is trying to manifest you back, Leo. Someone is not ready to give up on you. They want you back. You also want them back. This could be a marriage. This could be your ex-lover. This could be someone new also who wants you. You are, there is this your love life is at a pause, Leos. Why? Because you both are manifesting, and you are not ready to open your heart. to open to a new connection, and also your person is a bit defensive. So your love life seems to be at a pause because currently, if you are single, you are manifesting a person, Leos. You are manifesting a life partner, a marriage partner, a suitable person. If you are with somebody, in a situation with somebody, things are at a pause because you both are acting very defensive. What will happen in February for Leos? Okay, slowly things will be moving in your favor. Slowly things will be moving. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is important for you, Aries. Things are slowly going to improve in February for you, but I still feel that distance or divine timing is affecting your love life, Leo. Seriously, there is some issues with timing or not being at the right time with the right person. Also, your person is trying to move, they are moving towards you but very very slowly, and your love life is improving but very slowly. So you might have to keep your patience, right? Queen of Cups again. A lot of people are again important to you. I do feel family. You may be stuck between a past lover and a new lover, or someone, maybe they are married or you are married, so there is some issues are affecting your connection. You're also caught between head and heart. What's happening for Leos in February? Six of Wands, but you will be successful. You will be able to move forward in your love life and get this relationship back on track. So don't worry. If you are dealing with confusions, if stuck relationship or stuck love life, you will recover from it slowly but surely. Who is coming towards Leos? Who is coming towards Leos? The Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I do feel someone new is coming towards you. I also feel someone who was not talking to you, who was very in no contact and keeping their emotions to themselves. That person is coming. So if you are really single, a new person is coming. But if you know somebody who was in no contact with you, they are coming, they're gonna message you. Yeah, someone who broke your heart, someone who broke your trust, someone who put you in a third party, or someone who is married or who left you, they are coming back, friends. They are definitely coming back to apologize, fix things. What's blocking this connection or Leo's love life? What's blocking them this month? The Devil. I feel, there is a lot of sexual chemistry in your connections. There is a lot of passions, but sometimes this is affecting negatively. Like you can't see who is the right person for you because of the passion, Leos, because you are so passionate to everybody, or your person is so passionate, yet you can't see what is the right thing to do in this connection. Also, you may be dealing with a person which is a temptation for you, like you are they are married but you are with them, or you are married but you are still with them. So there is some sort of a toxicity or some sort of a temptation in this connection, and you are dealing with it this month. You will have to, also your person may be dealing with some addictions, anger issues. They keep repeating some patterns, they are stuck in some patterns, like their past refuses to go away, but they are still with you, with them also. So some things, some addictions are affecting your love life. The Moon, a lot of emotions. There is a lot of emotions, a lot of secrets. You will feel like, can you trust them? You feel it's so entirely different for you, Leos, because this is never your energy. You are always so bold, but this month you are all in your emotions. You are worried. Your person is also very emotional, so that you will have to work on balancing secrets. You are like, can you trust them? Are they trustworthy? What are the hidden secrets? Eight of Wands, you have to take action. You have to keep your lines of communication open. If communications are not happening, things can get more confusing in your love life. So keep your communications open. What will help you in your love life this month? Page of Swords, communications will help you. Clear communications, logical communications, keeping things logical, keeping things straight forward, keeping your boundaries forward. working on your relationships, 8 of Pentacles, you both taking being loyal to each other, taking stand for each other, and working on your connection. It is going to really change your love life. But if communications are blocked, which I feel are because of Mercury retrograde affecting you, we also had a full moon in Leo itself, so that would have caused some problems or stuck energy for you, heightened emotions. So yeah, and it was in February. This new full moon just happened, right? On in January. So it is still affecting you, I feel. Crown chakra. You have a very strong connection with your partner. It could be someone you know is an ex, or it could be you are married with. You have a very telepathic connection with this person. Maybe they are your twin flame or somebody. Rest and rejuvenate, and it's starting to drain you, friends, Leos. This connection is draining you, and because you constantly feel connected with them, so it is time to rest and relax, and create some space from them. Memories of love. Yeah, you love this person. 6 of Cups. They love you, you love them, they are coming back. Also, someone from the past, if you are really single, someone from the past is thinking about you, you are also thinking about them. So you have to keep your patience, Leos. Keep your patience. A lot of emotions are there for you. Let's see your advice for work and career, Leos. How Leo's work will be in February. Career will be mental conflict. Yeah, again, see, you are a little. Should you stay? Should you go? What you need to do? Decisions are important this month. Financial and material changes. Yeah, you feel you need to change something. You need to leave your work, or you need to go expand your work, change your city or career. Or some of you might actually want to change, like leave a job, go into business. Or if you are from like maths, you want to go commerce. If you are from commerce, you want to go somewhere else. You want to take a risk, but you don't know should you or shouldn't you. So some confusions are there, decisions are there, also some changes. You feel like money is not coming in, but you should be patient, Leos. You have to be patient, because this is a temporary pause in your work and career. This is not like a permanent pause. Things will change quickly. So are you really sure you want this change? Balance. 11 11. I also feel, friends, some of you maybe you want to travel, or your work is abroad but you can't go, or you want to study abroad but some delays are happening. So just be patient, bear with it, get along with it for now, because things will, waiting game. See, this is a time of waiting. If this is a time, but this wait will be rewarded for you. So don't lose hope, Leos. Don't lose hope. For Leos, what will happen? Let's see, Leos. Oh my god, can't pick my cards. I feel like a cat sometimes, that you just, like doing like this. Can't pick them sometimes. Happens. Unsuccessful plans, knots. Yeah, so I would suggest you not to take anything very risky, or try to too much push your boundaries, or it is time to move out of your comfort zone, but in the same areas, because some things will be there. Unsuccessful plans. Great pride. Be aware of great pride. Yeah, control that. Doing something risky, taking a chance. Yeah, you want to really go out on an adventure. You really want to be that adventurous tiger. But you have to tame that tiger, Leo. You have to tame yourself this month. You have to be a little bit patient, because you're gonna win that reward of patience. Unicorn, listen to your intuition. Caterpillar, things will not always be this way. A change is coming. Yeah, you want that change now, but it will happen. You have to be patient. When the caterpillar changes into a butterfly, it takes a while. It takes, if you ever watch that video, you will feel like, oh my god, the caterpillar is going through so much of pain, and why is it taking so long? Why is it not so quick? But it takes a while, but it seems like forever, but then it actually is a while only. Stork, the news of a birth or a new business opportunity. So something new will happen. Shield, you need to defend yourself. Yeah, you need to defend and protect yourself. Be aware of greedy. Yeah, don't be greedy. You want change just because it excites you, so don't do that. Dealings or relationship with a woman. April is important. Seahorse, family matters. Yeah, family is very important to you, Leos. So, a very happy February. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Insta. Bye for now.